In this video, we're going to collect like terms, and that is simplifying expressions using addition and subtraction. Okay, so before we can begin, we need to understand what a like term is. So like terms contain exactly the same variables raised exactly to the same power. So for example, 2x and x are like terms. This one has a coefficient of 2 and this one has a coefficient of 1. They are like terms, so therefore they can be added together. However, x squared and x, they are not like terms because this one is raised to a different power. This is raised to the power 2 and this is raised to the power 1. So we say they are not like terms. So in this case, they cannot be added or taken away from each other. Okay, other like terms, so x, y is also a like term to yx. They're just written in a different alphabetical order. So you can see this one is written in alphabetical order, apologies, and this one is not in alphabetical order. However, they contain exactly the same variables, just in a different order. We say they are like terms. Okay, so they could be added together and then you can reorder this one. Okay, so let's do a few more. 3y and 2y, they are like terms. In fact, we can add those together if required, or obviously if there's a subtraction between them, we can subtract because they both contain the same variables to exactly the same power. 7ab and 7b, they are not like terms because this term here contains an a and a b, with obviously the quantity being 7, and this one just contains b. So they are not like terms. Okay. Now, what we're now going to do is a couple of examples where we actually simplify and we collect together the like terms. Alright, so we're going to simplify these following expressions. So 3a plus 3a plus 5b. So altogether we have a quantity of 3 and 5, but they're not the same. They're not like terms. A and b are different, so that is as far as it can go. Now looking over at this one, we've got 7ab and 3a, and we've got 4ab. Now I need to be clear here that the sign in between each of the terms belongs to the term on the right. So this negative belongs to the 3a, and this negative belongs to the 4ab. So when I collect together the like terms, 7ab take away 4ab, just leaves us with 3ab. And then the negative 3a is not a like term, so we're just going to write minus 3a. Okay, I'm just going to write, this is simplified as far as it can go. Alright, a couple more examples now. So you can see here now we have 3a and 5a. The plus belongs to the term on the right, so I'm going to add the two together, giving me 8a. And over on this side, I've got 2c. This is a negative 6, this is a positive 4c, and this is a positive 15. So let's look at the c's first of all. It's got 2c plus 4c, gives me 6c. And then let's look at the numbers. I've got negative 6 and I'm adding 15 to it, so I get plus 9. And one final example here, let's look at the terms. We've got 3x squared, this is minus x squared, this is plus y squared, and this is minus 2y squared. These two are like terms, so I'm going to do 3x squared, take away 1x squared, leaving me with 2x squared. And then here, these are like terms as well. I have 1y squared, and it's a positive, and I'm minusing 2y squared, so I'm minus 1y squared.